Good morning, good morning. Hacienda Santa Monica, Lipa City, Batangas. Ito for sale lot ito no, 763 square meter. Facing southeast. Facing southeast, yung frontage niya ay 18 meters yung frontage. Ito, ang ganda, patag, medyo elevated ng konti. Elevated konti ito, yun from the road from the road. Ulitin ko 763 square meter, Hacienda Santa Monica, Lipa City, Batangas. Malapit lang ito dun sa Miracle Church, Miracle Heights Church, Hospital, Villa Hospital. Ang exit naman na pinakamalapit dito ay yung Lipa exit, yung Tambo exit. Ulitin ko 763 square meter, front ay 18 meters yung front, facing southeast.